grow out of your home or it doesn't seem to suit your needs anymore, selling your home and buying another home may be your best option. But what if you want to stay where you are, but just want to update some things to freshen things up a little? Well, here's some updates you can make that won't necessarily break the bank. Painting can dramatically transform the look and feel of your home. Choose modern, natural color palettes that are in line with current design trends. This can instantly update the appearance of your home and make it feel more contemporary. How about swapping out some outdated light fixtures for more modern and stylish options? That can have a significant impact on the overall aesthetics of your home. I'm sure some of us still have this fixture in at least one room in our house. I think it's going to surprise you just how inexpensive LED pot lights are. The last time I bought them, they were like $20 for a 2-pack. How about updating cabinet handles, doorknobs, and other hardware throughout your home? Consider updating accessories like throw pillows, curtains, and rugs, just to match current design trends. This is one I love. Try putting some smart home technology in your living spaces. This could include devices like smart thermostats, lighting systems, security cameras, and smart home assistants. These features give you some added conveniences and make your home more tech savvy when they work. Kitchens and bathrooms are important areas to focus on. Updating countertops, cabinets, and appliances in the kitchen, as well as fixtures and tile in the bathroom, can give your home a modern feel. This is one you don't want to avoid. Enhancing the exterior of your home by investing in landscaping improvements. Well-maintained gardens, trimmed lawns, and fresh mulch can really boost your home's curb appeal. I personally focus on this when I'm listing homes for sale. I found it's a key item to help sell a home. First impressions go a long way. And remember, when making updates to your home, it's essential to balance between following current trends and choosing designs that fit with your personal style. Trends can guide you, but your home should ultimately reflect your preferences. If you need recommendations for different professionals that can help you, well, you better call Paul.